and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another freebie. So this is not going to be like a big one like I've done before. It's just a small one, but I wanted to do this video. I want to show you guys some free stuff that I got, and I thought it'd be fun, and why not? And I like doing these. So the first thing I got free in the mail is this hair tie. So it has this looks like this. It's pink. So that's cool. Next today it actually came. So this is a 3-in-1 detergent pod from the brand Grab Green. Look at that. Looks like it's like 2 little pods, like Tide Pods. But yeah, so these are, so you have 2 in them, so you can test them out, and they have a good smell to it. I like the smell on them, so definitely be testing these out. Probably my parents will, but sometimes I do laundry, so definitely excited to use them. Next from Viewpoint, so all these freebies, if you haven't watched my How I Got My Freebies video, you wouldn't know the website, vonbeau, go check it out, link is down below. But all these freebies are from vonbeau website. Definitely check it out. Best freebie website ever. So this is a face brush, which is pretty cool, from the brand Collab. It's a multitasking face brush. So it can be used for highlight, powder, bronzer. Yeah, those 3 things. So this is from Viewpoint. I get emails all the time from them. This is what it looks like. Very soft, and probably gonna use this for like blush brush, because that's what I'll use it for. So that's the brush. And finally, the big thing is Influenster. If you guys don't know, I have gotten their boxes before, but not in a very long time. But since I got it again, I decided to make a freebies video and just do a Influencer unboxing. I'm excited. So I did open it already, just to see it. So this is what it looks like. So this is the Herbal Essence Bio Renew shampoo and conditioner. So this is the card, and then the information about what to do. Download the app, or get the app, or make an account online. I'll give you guys my code referral link down below so you guys can check it out. So you get to win some awesome stuff. Kind of win 2 things. You have to like review a lot of stuff. So like if you get makeup and stuff, just like take a picture of it with in the app, and it will show you how to do it, and it will scan it, and then you can make a review of the products. So you guys can win like makeup and stuff, which is pretty awesome. So these are full-size products. So this is the Herbal Essence Bio Renew Naked Moisturizer in the smell rosemary and herbs. This is the shampoo. I like the smell. Has an interesting scent. I'm definitely gonna use it because I actually needed shampoo and conditioner. I was running out. What brand I was using? I forget the brand I was using, but I was running out, and then now I'm using Head and Shoulders because dandruff problem. But I'm definitely gonna use this. It helps purify, protect against your hair over time. Yeah. The result, you get soft, free-flowing hair. So it's a very gentle thing. And then we got the conditioner. So this is a moisture. This is actually a foam conditioner, which I have not used a foam conditioner yet. I'm curious how it's gonna work. So again, it's full size, same smell, which is good for when you're doing your hair. Yep, same smell. And yeah, this is just a conditioner. So you first wash it with the shampoo, then you put it in, it says to shake well, and then you let it absorb, and then you just style how you normally will with this. So yeah, so that is Influencer's products that I got. This is Influencer product that I got recently to test out and do like a review type of video and kind of show you guys what I'm getting. And tell you guys about the app, because definitely you guys should download the app. So you guys should definitely download Influencer's app. Again, I will link my referral down below so you guys can go check it out and see what the site is all about. And when you join, you can join with my referral. I don't remember if you get anything, but I think when you guys join, I get like points or something that my status goes up, so that'd be helpful. So you guys should definitely watch my how I get my freebies and like how to get all that stuff video, and I'll have it in the yeah. That is all I have for this video. Oh yeah, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up for more freebies, because I'm definitely trying to get more freebies stuff in the mail. Remember, when you do freebies, they're not technically free. You always have to do something for the brand or product, or you always have to do some type of review or video. That's why I do these videos, so I can show you guys what I get and make it all good. So yeah, so that is all I have for this video. I love you all so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye.